Hi there! We're here to solve your common technical issues using our wide array of expertise. You can reach us by chat, phone, or email. Let's take a look at how each of these work. For immediate assistance, contact us by chat. Look for the Help Desk chat icon in your taskbar, system tray, or directly on your desktop. When you open the Help Desk chat, an information request screen will pop up. Fill in the fields shown, and click here if you want to save this information for the next time you chat with us on this computer. Once you've provided the details, click Initiate Chat. Once you are finished chatting, make sure you let us know how we did by filling in the brief survey. If you would like to speak to a technician on the phone, just call this number. All calls are answered in the order they are received. We recommend you stay on the line until a resolution is found. However, we understand that you're busy and want to minimize the time you spend on the phone. If possible, we will offer the opportunity to disconnect the call while we continue to work. You can reach out to us by email at this address. Processing emails may not be immediate, so emails should be limited to low priority or non-emergency issues. To expedite the process, include your full name, company name, callback number, and a description of the issue in your email. For each new request, you will be provided with a ticket number. If you ever need to contact us again for the same issue, be sure to have that number ready. This will allow us to easily find the existing ticket so we can review any troubleshooting steps already completed. Our goal is to provide you with professional and courteous customer service, expert problem resolution, and unparalleled peace of mind. And we hope that these flexible contact methods accomplish this. We look forward to helping you.